This morning I'm baking Anzac biscuits two ways, both with Harroway's oats. First off, we'll make the original classic biscuit. I love this recipe. For me, it's a classic for a reason. It uses these wonderful familiar ingredients, Harroway's oats. Then we are going to melt a 1/4 cup of golden syrup. And it goes. Some unsalted butter. I've got West Gold here. And that goes too. I'm just going to pop that in the microwave to melt. Combine 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of soft brown sugar, and 1 cup of Harroway's oats. Lovely. Brilliant product, Harroway's oats. We'll give this a mix with the spoon. Here it is, give it a quick stir around. Then we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll mix that into our dry mixture. Look at that. Let's roll them into balls. Put them on the tray. Then they'll be ready to bake. Just flatten slightly with a fork. I'll show you the finished version and we'll make some orange and almond biscuits coming up soon. These are firming up on the tray here. Now I'm going to make a second batch using some different flavors to mix it up, orange and almond. I've got 150 grams of butter and 3 tablespoons of golden syrup here that is melted in the microwave. Give it a quick stir. I've got 1 cup of flour, 1½ cups of coconut. I'm mixing it up. I've got 1 cup of desiccated and 1/2 cup of shredded. You can do whichever type you like. 3/4 of a cup of slivered almonds, some brown sugar, and some Harroway's oats. I'm also going to add in the zest of an orange. Got my microplane. Need to cut the orange up to get some juice. And into this as well, we're going to add some baking soda. And that goes. And we'll give this a quick stir. Now this goes into our bowl here with all the rest of our ingredients. We're going to form golf ball size little balls of dough onto the baking tray, flatten slightly with a fork, and into the oven just like last time. Here they are, my finished Anzac biscuits two ways with Harroway's oats. First up, the classic traditional recipe, golden and oaty and delicious, and then fresh out the oven, the orange and almond, something a little bit zesty.